to Tally ERP9. Select on your computers. First of all, Tally ERP9 first download from internet. Okay, and click the Tally ERP9 two times. Press enter the button. This is a screen of the Tally ERP9. ERP9 means Enterprises Research Planning. Enterprises Research Planning, that is ERP9. Now after display the screen, you go to this is education mode, so that's why you go to the work education mode, select, press enter. Okay, automatically so open the gateway of Tally screen display on your computer. So first students, already is a name of the company is there. This is a Krishna, 1st April 2020. Krishna already created company is there. So you want new company create. But how to create the new company? You go to the shortcut Alt plus F3. Otherwise, go to button bar, select F3. Or shortcut key Alt plus F3. That is company info. The company info screen display on your computers. So once check it. Select company. What is the important of the select company? Already I discussed the select company important already create company names to display on your computer. For example, I select company, click them. So already go create company names, already storage in the system in the company name creation. So KKSR, KP, KPR, Krishna, Manju, Venkatesh, Sai, XYZ company names is already created. Okay, you want which company you selected, that click them, that company name display on your computer. Okay, this select company mean already created company loaded in system. So you want a select company name, then you go for the select company, click them, display computer names, you selected the name of the company on. And should company, what is the important of the should company? Every student already I discussed the should company. Should company mean the company name temporarily remove on your work area, not permanently delete. Okay, so should company, what is the important this is the work area. This is the name of the company. Krishna is there now. Krishna is there. So Krishna, name of the company. There are many more company display on your computers. Okay, so that company name temporarily remove on your computer. How to remove on your computer in work area go to the should company. What is the important of the should company? Should company mean the company name temporarily remove on your work area. So I will go to the should company, press enter. Which company remove on your work area? Krishna. Press enter. So automatically the name of the company Krishna name automatically remove on your work area. Okay, so work area you want new company name. Already Krishna is already company name is there. So you want new company. That situation you go for the should company and press enter. Which company you remove on your work area? First select the company name. Press enter the button. Automatically the company name temporarily remove on your work area. Then after you go for the create company. Press enter the button. This is a create company screen already I discussed. So create company name first of all director is there. Director mean permanently loaded. Don't change the directory. You go for the name. So then give to the any company name, any organization name. So I will give to the some example. Banu Traders. Banu Traders. Then after go. Mailing names is nothing but shortcut name. Banu Traders is there any shortcut name should be mentioned. If not their shortcut name, automatically a Banu Traders name again repeated the mailing name. So mailing name is nothing but shortcut name. For example, Gautami Degree College. Name is the Gautami Degree College. Mailing name GDC. Gautami Degree College. GDC. That is mailing shortcut name. Is there shortcut name? Then will be type it. Otherwise, the first name automatically repeat mailing name. And you go for the address. Where is the company address? Which location? Example, I will take Shamshabad. Shamshabad location. And if any more address also will type it, and road number and colony name also. And you go for country. Students, country. country is the India, but is there country list of the countries names to display on your computers? The right side once again see the every students is there list of the countries name. You are selected the country name. Okay, that is the India is there. The country name, so you not loaded, already loaded in Tally ERP9. Okay, just you select the country name India. Now you go for the student state. Which state? You states also loaded in computers. So then you selected the state name. Our state name is Telangana. Just T letters, first press T letters. T states only bold is there. Now which state you selected? Telangana. Then you selected the Telangana state. Press enter the button. And if any is there pin code number, then we'll type it. And contact details. Contact details mean phone numbers, mobile numbers, fax numbers, email, website is there. That is also we have to type it. And now we'll go for the financial year beginning from. Which year started the financial year? 1st April 2020. And books beginning from also 1st April 2020. Okay. That is the beginning of the 1st April, end of the 31st March. So that is a financial year. Okay. And you go for the secured control. Secured control mean that this Banu Traders company ni other employees should not open, only secured purpose only until you go for the secured control. Okay. Password. Why? Because given why are given to the password mean other employees, if any open, not given any security. So if any other employees also open the system and go to the Banu Traders company, and if any data remove or delete, that situation you face to the lot of problem. So that's why every organization should maintain the Tally ERP9. Commands are given to the secured control also. Okay, that is the important of the secured control. And base currency information, student, don't change the base currency information. So this is standard, and I mean like a base currency symbol, that is symbol is there present now. So that's why the symbol no changes. INR no, yes. Okay, show the amount of millions no. Number of decimal place 2. Number of decimal place 2. Already I discussed number of decimal place. What is the important? Number of decimal place mean 2. What mean number of decimal mean? Paragraph and paragraph key we have to given to the sentence key sentence. Example, sentence key and sentence key 2 space. It is very important because 2 space is there. The sentence is very clarity. So that's why is given to the 2 sentence 2 space. It is permanently there. And word representing amount after decimal paisa. Okay, that is. And next, number of decimal place for amount in words. Amount in words, students. So amount, for example, 20,000 rupees. Words low 20,000 only. The situation low is give to the 2 space. 2 places, 2 decimal place unte, that is a clarity. And amount key and words key 2 decimal place is there, that is a clarity is there, amount to and words. So that's why we have to given to the 2 decimal place. But students, don't change the base currency information, already permanently is there. So don't change the, but I will give to the importance. What is a decimal place? Okay, what is the base currency symbol? I will show that's only, but don't change the base currency information. Just press enter the button, automatically accepted. Yes or no? Yes, press enter. That is companies accepted. Now again escape. Go to gateway of Tally screen. Students already discussed the gateway of Tally screen. Is there masters? There are 2 points is there. Accounts info, inventory info. Transactions, accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers. Utilities, import data, banking. Report, balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis, display and quit. Quit mean go to back. Students, now you go for the accounts info. What are the importance of the accounts info? Accounts info only discuss about the group creation and ledger creation. It mean accounts info discuss only groups and ledgers. Okay, groups creation, how to create the group, how to deletion, how to alter. You go to the accounting info, select them and display the 2 options, groups and ledgers. You create the group, then select the group option. You create the ledgers, select the ledger option. If any delete the group, you select the group. If delete the ledgers, you select the ledgers. So this is important. And account info, click them. So there accounts info, there are 2 points there, groups and ledgers. So you created the groups or ledgers. I discuss ledger creation, how to create the ledger. Today topic is how to create the ledger. Okay, so how to create the ledger mean you go to the gateway of Tally, select account info, press enter the button, automatically the subscreen display on your computer. Right, there are 2 points is very important point there in accounts info. Number 1 is groups, number 2 is ledgers. Groups, how to create, how to delete, how to alter, that important points is their group. Ledger, how to create, how to delete, how to alter. Now today topic only how to create the ledger. Okay, that purpose only, that's you select the accounts info, press enter the button, so subscreen display automatically. So then you selected the ledger, press enter the button, automatically again subscreen display on your computer. That is single ledger, and multiple ledgers. What is the importance of the single ledgers and multiple ledger? Students, single ledgers mean every ledgers is nothing but separate set of books should be maintained, that is nothing but ledgers. Every transactions loan, every aspect ni you maintain the separate set of books, that is known as a ledgers. And the day-to-day activities is nothing but transaction. Every transaction key should be open the separate set of books, that is nothing but a ledgers. How to create the ledgers, how to delete, how to alter. So now we go to the today topic is how to create the ledger. There are 2 ways is there ledger creation, single ledgers and multiple ledgers. Okay, what mean by single ledger, what mean by multiple ledgers, I will explain. So single ledger mean every ledgers we have to save the separate, one by one save. And for example, salary, first to create the salary ledger and save. Then after you go to the second ledger, create the rent and save. And after you go to the insurance, one by one ledger should be saved, that is a single ledger. Multiple ledgers mean all the ledgers single time save, and all the ledgers single time create and one single time save. And example, salary, rent, insurance, once created and once save. At a time save, not one by one, but single ledgers save one by one. Salary after rent, rent after insurance create. But multiple ledgers lo salary, rent, insurance, 3 type the same one registered and save single time. But single ledgers one by one, I will explain how to go to the single ledger create. This is a screen of the single ledger creation screen. Okay, how to create the one by one ledger, I will explain. For example, I go to the salaries. Name is a salary. Under, you go to the under. So students, under is their groups already loaded in our system. Don't create the groups. Already Tally ERP9 loaded in the all the groups, 99% already groups created. Just you selected the salary, you selected the suitable group. Salary is a expenses. Expenditure, there are 2 types groups. Expenditure, there are 2 types, direct expenditure and indirect expenditure. So salary is a indirect expenses group. So that is indirect expenses group, selected our list of group. Then indirect expenses is there, indirect group is there na, indirect expenditures. Okay, select and press enter the button. That is the remaining any no. Press enter, accepted, enter. Salary save, one ledger account create, one by one. Example, I go to the rent, enter. Rent to which group? Same as usual, rent paid also indirect expenses group. Select indirect expenses on your list of group. Press enter the button. Again enter, accepted, completed. Now I will go to the insurance, one more ledger created. One by one means single ledgers mean one by one save. Salary completed, rent after, insurance. That is insurance also, you go to the under mean is groups. So select the groups on your computer. Already display computer groups list to display on your computers. So you selected the insurance is a indirect expenses group. Then you selected indirect expenses. Press enter the button. Is a enter accepted. This is single ledgers is one by one, right? Now you go for the back. I go to the multiple ledgers. How to create the multiple ledger? That is the difference between the single ledgers and multiple ledgers. Single ledgers mean it is one by one save. Multiple ledgers how to create I will explain. Multiple ledger screen there. Okay. Under group mean all item press enter. Now you go for name of ledger. Name of ledger. I will give to the single time. All the ledgers single time should be created and save only single time. Not one by one. So I will explain. For example, you go for commission received. Commission received. Yes, students, enter. Under mean it is a list of the groups already loaded in the system. You selected the commission received suitable group. You selected the under list of the group. So tell me commission received it is a income. So that's why indirect income group. Indirect income group. Select and press enter the button, right? No opening balances, and go for one more ledger, not one by one save. And you go for missionary, enter. Automatically list of group also display on your computer. That is selected the missionary suitable group you select. So missionary is a fixed assets group. So go for the fixed assets group selected, press enter the button. And one more ledger, loan from bank. Go list of the group. Loan from bank, which group? Then you selected loan liability group. Why? Because the loan taken from the bank. So that's why we have to selected the loan liability group. Press enter the button. Okay. But single ledger slow, commission received once, pensionary once, and loan from bank also once, and 3 times should be created the single ledger. But multiple ledgers, the single time all the type the ledgers list, and press enter the button, enter, accepted, yes or no, accepted. That is ledger creation, single ledgers and multiple ledger creation is completed. That is the difference between the single and multiple. Okay.